Libreelec, Osmc, and Xbian are three popular media center operating systems for Raspberry Pi, but they serve very different audiences. So here we have Libreelec. This is the simplest, designed as just enough OS to run Kodi, making it extremely stable and plug and play for users who just want a reliable media box. Next we have Osmc. By contrast, this is built on Debian, offering not only Kodi but also the flexibility of app packages and a full Linux environment, which makes it heavier but more versatile for users who want to customize beyond media playback. Lastly, is we have Xbian. So this is a lightweight rolling release option optimized for speed, bleeding edge updates, appealing to enthusiasts who want the latest features and don't mind tinkering. In short, Libreelec wins for stability and simplicity, of course, and we have OSMC for flexibility and Debian integration, and then lastly is we have Xbian, which wins for speed and cutting edge updates.